Okay, so again, a variable is created when you define the value. So in this case, first name is the variable, and what's kind of behind the equal sign is the value. And in this case, because it's a text value, it's called a string. And now if we put here print first name, so print the variable first name, it will output the value Eberhard. So Eberhard, we see that here, right? Now there's another way. You can also output this by using an F string. And this is what an F string is. Print, open bracket, open parenthesis, F, and double quotation mark or single quotation mark, you can choose. And then curly brackets and the variable, close curly brackets, quotation mark, double quotation mark, and then the close parenthesis. And why would you do this? Well, it can be as simple as that. The reason is simple. The cool thing about F strings is that they make it easier to combine different variables and values. So for example, we can do this print, and then the F string here, hello, and then, so this is a string, right? And then we can insert the variable first name variable in here, and then we can continue with the string, and we can insert this variable again, or also another variable if we had. And so if we run this, we get this, hello Eberhard, how are you today Eberhard? Do you know these kinds of people who tend to overuse your name Eberhard, right? So the benefit of having this F string, even though at first thing it looks a little bit more complicated than just a simple print command, is really that you can kind of have different variables and values in one line output in a way that is much easier to read than it would be if you would use a lot of individual print statements to create this. And there are other benefits as well, which I do not understand or care about yet, but we will see. So this is F string, right? The F string chapter, so to speak. And these F strings are also called, what is it? F, let's see. I just read it and I already forgot it. F string Python. They're called formatted string literals. No wonder that I forgot that. Formatted string literals. I don't think I need to remember that. But the F stands for format or formatted, right? So I think the important thing to remember is it's simply print open bracket F, and then everything else is kind of the way it is with a normal print statement.